Hello, in this video, I would like to show you how to use Cloud on VSCode. We'll go through the steps of setting it up and using it. First, you need to have VSCode installed. I have my VSCode project here, a Next.js app that we're going to use to demonstrate how to use Cloud on VSCode. The first step, you need to go to Extensions, click on Search, and you search for Cline. This extension will allow you to connect Cloud to VSCode. There are different kinds of Cline extensions, but this should be the extension that you install. It has close to 1 million downloads up to this point, and you can see it's a very popular extension. If you'd like to learn more about it, check out the other video on what is Cline. You click on Install, and once it's completed, you're going to see this icon here. You click on this extension icon to get it started. You click on this gear icon to set up your connection to Cloud. Here you need to add your Anthropic API key. You can get Anthropic API key from your console. Click on APIs, you get the key, you paste in the key here, and you're ready to start using Cloud on VSCode. You can also use something like OpenRouter, which helps you connect to different large language models using a common key. For the first time setting up, you'll see a link here to connect to OpenRouter, and you can log into your account and connect your preferred large language model. OpenRouter helps you switch different LLMs using a single API key. Once you've connected, you click on Done, and now you can start using Cloud on your VS Code. The next step is to log to your Anthropic account and create an API key that's going to help you connect Cloud API to VS Code. I'm on my account here, and under your dashboard, this link, Get API Keys, then click on Create Key. You can select a default option, then you can give it a name. Then you click on Add. Once you get the key, you copy this key back here. After you select Anthropic, you copy the key. Then you click on Done, and you have connected your VS Code to Cloud. You can switch the models under this option model, where you can select the latest model, then click on Done. You need to have credit on your account for this to work. This is my test prompt, where I'm going to prompt it to create a landing page for a SaaS product. You click on this to send the prompt. As you can see, I do not have enough credit. This is likely to happen the first time you set up when your account does not have credit. You need to go back to your account and buy credit. Under billing, you click on buy credits. Then fill in your card details, buy the credit. Once you have credit on your account, it's now time to prompt this again. We click on this prompt to run it again, and click on Resume Task. VS Code is going to connect to your Anthropic account and start generating the files. You can click on Approve to connect again and generate the files. Every time it generates, it gives you this cost. Then you can click on Approve, and it keeps generating these files until your project is completed. This was already my existing project, but back to your Anthropic account, you can trace the amount of balance remaining as you progress with your prompting. That's how to connect and use Cloud on VS Code. There is also a different extension that you can use, Roo Code. This works like Cline and Cline was originally part of this, but Cline is a fork of this original version. It works the same as Cline. We can click to install it. And once you install it, you'll see this icon here. You can click to allow, then click on this gear icon to start the configuration. We can use Anthropic again. Then we put in here the API key. Then we select a model. Then you can click on always approve write operations. And these are the options. Then you click on save. It's now ready to create the first prompt. Click on done. Then we can add a new prompt. It connects with Anthropic API and it initializes project. Then you can click on approve and it just works the same as Cline. So that's how you connect Claude with VS Code. If you found this useful, kindly consider giving it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. One like, one subscribe takes me one more step forward to bringing you great content. Thank you.